Hi, this is John with Zenty. We are here showing our K12 kit for classrooms. In this kit, we will include a control panel that has on and off control through CEC. You can also select your input and pass IR. Also, the mic and source volume can be changed independently. Right here we have our input plate. We are going to come out with a dual 2-input HDMI plate as well. That would be 4K. Here as well, the USB will connect back to the host computer for touchscreen control or smartboard control. Now the receiver unit we have here, this is all going to be connected through HD-Base-T with one power source at the receiver unit. On the receiver, we can also pass RS-232, audio outs, and also speaker, low impedance speaker out as well. It's also a mic input and a remote mute for fire alarm and PA. If you have any further questions, you may contact us at www.zenty.com. Thank you.